Good day, learners! Welcome to our mathematics class. Are you ready for today's lesson? Yes is your answer, I'm pretty sure of that. Is writing linear equation into slope-intercept form or SIF. Here is our objective. Write linear equation into slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is in the form of y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope and b there is our y-intercept. In the slope-intercept form, you use the slope of the line and the y-intercept to express the linear function. Here is our first example. Find the equation of the line into slope-intercept form whose slope is 3 and y-intercept is -5. What are we going to do now in this problem? This is very easy. You're going to substitute the slope, which is 3 in here, and substitute the y-intercept, which is -5 in here. And that's how easy it is. It goes like this. So we're going to follow the equation y is equal to mx plus b. So it goes like this. Y equals the slope, which is 3. Just substitute, okay? So 3x plus the y-intercept, which is -5. 3x plus our y-intercept, which is -5. So we enclose -5 in the parentheses because we're going to multiply the sign to the -5. 3x positive times -5 equals -5. So 3x minus 5. This is now the equation in the form of slope-intercept form. Now let us proceed to example 2. Rewrite the equation of the line 4/5 x minus 1/2 y equals 7 into slope-intercept form. Now, do you observe that in our first example is different from our example 2? Because in our example 1, we just substitute the value of the slope and the y-intercept in the form like this. But this one is in the form of ax plus by equals c, right? So we're going to rewrite it into slope-intercept form. So how are we going to do that? Okay, our first step is we're going to look what variable needs to be left in here. So only y is the variable, right? So this 4/5 x should be eliminated. Only the variable y will be left in here. So how are we going to do that? Okay, here. Now we're going to write first the given. This one, the given equation. Now we're going to eliminate 4/5 x. How? By adding negative 4/5 x. So we will add negative 4/5 x in this equation in the left side, and we're going to add also negative 4/5 x in this side. Four-fifths x minus 4/5 x plus negative 1/2 y. Equals, we write the 7. Now, as what I have said earlier, if you're going to add negative 4/5 x in this side, this is my left. In this left side, we're also going to add negative 5 x on the right side. So 7 minus 4/5 x. Here. Now, the purpose why we add negative 4/5 x is to eliminate this one. So 4/5 x minus 4/5 x equals 0. So this is now eliminated. So what is left is negative 1/2 y equals 7 minus 4/5 x. Now the question is, are we done? Are we already in the form of y equals mx plus b? Okay, let us take a look at the equation. Y here, or the variable y here, has its numerical coefficient, where the form is, it should be 1. The numerical coefficient is 1. So we're going this negative 1/2, make this 1. How? How are we going to do that? In this case, we are going to multiply a number to make this negative 1/2 1. Let us think. What number could it be that we are going to multiply to negative 1/2 that it will result to y? Think. What number is it? It is number. We are going to multiply negative 2. Let us see if it will result to y or 1, 1. We are going to multiply the equation with negative 2 to make this, to make the numerical coefficient 1. Okay? So negative times negative equals positive. So we're going to put the answer in here. Okay. Negative times negative equals positive. So it's okay now because it's already positive. So positive, or if it is positive, it is okay that you're not going to write a positive sign. It's okay. It's understood that the variable or the number is positive if it has no sign. Okay? So negative 2 times negative 1 is 2. Divided by 2 is 1. So the numerical coefficient of y is already 1. Negative 2 times negative 1/2 y, the result is positive y. Or just simply write y. Y equals negative 2 times 7, negative 2 times 7 Negative 14. Negative 2 times negative 4. Positive 8 divided by 5. 8/5 is the answer. So, positive 8/5 x. Are we done? Take a look at the equation. Yes, we are done. Just a little switching will be done here. So it should be that the slope comes first before the y-intercept, which is negative 14. So we're going to arrange it. So y equals 8/5 x minus 14. Now it is already in the form of y equals mx plus b. So this is now the answer. Do you understand? I hope you cooked up. I hope you understand. Learners, are you ready for our activity? You should be ready. For our activity 1, find the equation of the line into slope-intercept form whose slope is negative 4 and the y-intercept is 6. Activity number 2. Rewrite the equation of the line 2x plus 5y equals 10 into slope-intercept form. Okay? So, in this activity, you will be given 10 minutes to answer. Your 10 minutes starts now. Now let us check if your answer is correct or not. Okay. So, number 1, find the equation of the line into slope-intercept form whose slope is negative 4 and the y-intercept is 6. So, in number 1, as you can see, we're just going to substitute the slope and the y-intercept in this equation like this. Okay? So, y equals the m. So, our slope is negative 4. So, y equals negative 4x plus b. So what is our b or the y-intercept? 6. That's it. So the equation is y equals negative 4x plus 6. That's the answer. Do we have the same answer? I hope we have the same answer. Okay, let's proceed to activity number 2. Rewrite the equation of the line 2x plus 5y plus 10 into slope-intercept form. Okay, do you still remember what we have discussed earlier? That in this side, only y will be left. So we're going to eliminate 2x. Eliminating 2x, we're going to add its opposite, negative 2x. Okay? Eliminate 2x, we will add negative 2x plus 5y, just copy, equals 10. If we add negative 2x in this side, we will going to add also in the right side negative 2x. Then simplify. 2x minus 2x equals 0. What is left is negative 5y. Just rewrite negative 5. No, I'm so sorry, it's not negative. Positive 5y. So, we will going to rewrite positive 5y. 5y equals 10 minus 2x. Now, are we done? We're not yet done. Because y, the variable y, has numerical coefficient which is 5. We're going to make it 1. So we're going to multiply what number to make it 1, 1? We're going to multiply 1/5. So the number that we're going to multiply is 1/5. So 1/5 times 5y equals 1. 1/5 times 10 equals 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Minus 1/5 times negative 2x, negative 2/5 x. 2/5 x. Okay. So in this equation, y is equal to 2 minus 2/5 x is already in the form of slope-intercept form. Yes, we are almost in there because we're just going to arrange this one. Because the slope, this one, negative 2/5 comes first before the y-intercept, which is 2. So the final answer is y equals negative 2/5 x plus 2. And this is now the equation. Y is equal to 2/5 x plus 2. Do we have the same answer? I hope so that we have the same answer. Thank you so much, learners, for listening. I hope to see you on our next session. This is Teacher Leslie Indrina, your mathematics teacher. Bye!